Hey there, welcome to our new tutorial of which we promise to make for you. In our last video, we learned how to make real estate ads and how to target the real estate agencies. But if you don't know how to make real estate ads, first watch our previous tutorial. So, whether you're a small business owner, a marketer, or just someone looking to promote your brand, Facebook ads can be a powerful tool to reach your target audience. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating and running ads on Facebook. So let's dive in. The first step is to log in to your Facebook account and navigate to the Facebook Ads Manager. Let's select Business to Business here. Now let's type our page name and it'll be real estate. Now select the category. Let's search for real estate. You can select any of these. You can add your profile picture, yet I don't have any pic related to real estate. Let's add a random pic. Now click on Create Page. If you want to connect your Instagram page, you can. Otherwise, you can skip that part. Also skip this, will add payment information later. Now click on Next, and now click on Create Campaign. Now type the name for ad. Let's type real estate ad. Now click on Category and select Housing. Now come to Countries. We targeted agencies in New York, so let's take the country United States. Now scroll down and select the budget per day. Don't worry folks, you don't have to invest. This payment will be deducted from the clients. So now select start date and time. You can also enter an end date if you want. Now click on Next. Now add your ad name. OK, now select the page that W created in the start with the name of real estate. OK, now select the post of the video that we create in the previous part. Now skip this all and click on Publish button. Now it'll ask a payment method. Fill the form. And click on Save. And that's it. Your ad is now live and ready to reach your target audience on Facebook. Be sure to monitor the performance of your ads regularly and make optimizations as needed to maximize your results. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you soon. Take care.